Write. Put it into paper. Document. Kasi one day, you will forget everything. You will forget the moment that made you cry, made you laugh, made you broken tears, and made you feel the emotion na hindi mo ina-expect na may feel mo. And you will forget what you did yesterday, on the other day, on the last week. Maybe you remember a few, but not all of that. So I'm saying this to you because I want you to remember even the simplest moments of your life. Because a while ago, I read my diary when I was in high school. And when I was in high school, it's just a simple letter. But when I read it as an adult, 24-year-old, sabi ko, grabe pala yung pinagdaanan ko noon, no? Grabe pala yung pinakasimpleng emosyon, pinakasimpleng bagay. Tapos nalagay ko siya sa paper. And only that version of myself will remember that. Siguro ako matatandaan ko, pero hindi na ganun kalinaw nung sinulat ko. And ngayon na 24 na ako, it feels so like para sinulat ko ito noon, no? Tapos nung college ako o senior high school, wala ako mostly ng diary or any journal or about what I have experienced day to day. Kasi I stopped writing nga. And now, makabalik ko nito. Kasi malilimutan ko yung mga bagay na nangyari ng araw na yun. Talaga siya matatandaan kung wala kang iniwan na isang piece, na isang chunk of memory into it. And ngayon ko na siya na-appreciate kung paano kaganda ang pagsusulat. Kasi nung high school ako, it's just a part of a project na tatamarin ka pa. Kasi bakit naman ako magsusulat? Nakakatamad kaya ang rami kong ginagawa araw-araw. May assignment ako, kailangan ko magmanood ng TV, at marami pang iba. Diba, pinagkakaabalahan mo ng bata ka. So ngayon, sinasabi ko sa inyo, write, document, take pictures and everything. Kasi sooner or later, you will forget. So write.